So guys, take a look at this right now. This is how much I actually made in today's revenue by using a very cool CPA Grip strategy, which is actually the quiz strategy. And I'm actually going to walk you through how you can actually replicate this exact same strategy and make exact same amount just by utilizing this platform right here called the Systemy.io in conjunction with your CPA Grip. So do stick on as I'm going to show you how you can actually go on to creating a very simple landing page with this platform that is actually a quiz landing page, and it's going to be easy. Watch to the end and utilize this strategy. With that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head on to CPAGrip.com and you want to make sure you do go on to registering for an account if you don't actually do have one. And if you want to register, click on register right here and actually do go on to filling out this form by providing your basic details right now. But the most fields that are actually important are the fields having these red asterisk signs. Make sure you do fill them out and actually agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out. Once you do that, you can then just simply click on register and go on to creating your account. As your account has actually been created, you can also go on to login into your account right now. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm logged back into my account. To get to this page where I am right now, you want to just simply go onto this section, click on offer tools. If you do click on that, this drop down list will be shown and you want to click on my offers to get you right here to this page. Once you actually do click on that right here, you want to just simply focus on any country of your choice, but I'm focusing on the United Kingdom right now because I want to promote offers to that certain demographic. So you want to just simply promote offers to any country of your choice, and if you do select that, you want to make sure you do go on to selecting a kind of a cool sweepstake offer. And to get a sweepstake offer, you want to just keep on scrolling through, and sweepstake offer are kind of giveaway offers right now. So this right here is for an iPhone 14 giveaway. You can see the payout right here is about $15 right now. I'm just gonna go for something with a much more higher payout. So if I do keep on scrolling through, I will be able to see a lot more of cool other offers right now. So this one right here is actually a good one, which is actually for an Amazon gift card. You can actually do see right here that the payout is actually $1.17. All you need to do is to get traffic from the United Kingdom, and those traffic needs to actually be using an Apple iOS device, and they also need to go on to submitting their email and zip code while going through a simple survey to gain access to this particular gift card worth 500 euros, and you actually do get paid $1.71 for every successful lead which you do get to that offer. You can actually do copy this link right now and try as much as possible to drive traffic to that, but you want to make sure you do leave this page open because we're going to get right back to this section. Next, you want to just simply go on to Google, and you may want to just simply go on to searching for something related to that particular gift card. As you can see right now, I actually did search for Amazon quiz. You'll be able to see a lot of articles right now where you can go on to checking out some quiz questions which you can ask right here for Amazon right now. So you can actually do focus on that, or you may want to just simply use ChatGPT to generate quiz answers. So right now, if we do take a look at this, I actually asked ChatGPT to generate survey questions on Amazon and also provide 3 answers for each question. And you can see ChatGPT actually did the job quite good right now. And you can actually do go on to saying it generated about 10 questions right there with actually 3 answers for each question. So we're actually going to be utilizing this to actually create a simple quiz landing page. And for that, we're actually going to head onto this platform called Systemy.io. But if you do take a look at this landing page right here, it was created with the help of Systemy.io, and you can see right now it asks, how satisfied are you with your overall online shopping experience on Amazon? If I do click on this answer right here, it's actually leading me to another question right now, which actually asks, how would you rate the variety of selection of products available on Amazon? If I click on this right here, it leads me right here to actually go on to clicking here. Click here to claim my Amazon gift card. So I'm going to show you how you could do just this. To do that, head on to this platform called Systemy.io and actually create a simple landing page. And if you do go on to signing up for an account, it's actually free. You can then just simply log into your account. If you log into your account, make sure you go on to the funnel section, and right now you want to click on create, and the funnel is actually going to be brought up right here where you want to just simply give the funnel a name. I'm going to name it something like Amazon quiz. So if I do name it something such as that, I'm going to select the build an audience option. Also for this currency, select the US dollar. So once you do select the US dollar, click on save, and your funnel will be created. Click on that particular funnel and it's going to lead you to a page such as this. You want to then just simply remove this thank you page. So I'm going to remove that right here. And once that has actually been removed, so the squeeze page, go on to selecting a very cool template which you want to use right now. I'm just going to select this template right here. And if I do select that template, I'm going to go on to clicking on edit. Once you do that right now, the page is actually going to load up. What you want to do next is to actually hover around each section and go on to deleting every content in this particular landing page. So once everything has actually been deleted, next you want to go on to scrolling through this element section. And if you do scroll through, make sure you do go on to selecting the survey right now and drag that to this section right here. Now you can go on to adding your survey questions. So adding a survey question, I'm going to click on this right now, and I'm also going to click on edit survey questions. Now you can see this question one. I'm just going to go on to changing that, and right here I'm going to remove the question, head on to ChatGPT and actually copy the first answer right now, or the first question. So if I do copy the first question including the answers, I'm going to head back to systeme.io and actually paste that in right here. So right now, once that has been pasted, I'm going to copy the answer right now and actually paste that last answer right in here. Once I do paste that in, I'm also going to do the same thing for this section right now. If I do copy that, I'm going to come onto this section and paste that right here. So as you can see right here, I've actually fixed in everything. This is the question right here, and also this is the subtitle. I'm going to remove the subtitle. Now I'm going to click on back and actually do click on add question. Now for the question 2, you want to just simply add in 2 more answers section right now, and you want to also go on to inputting the question. I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and actually copy the questions and the answer also. So once I copy that, head back to my landing page and actually do go on to pasting that right in here. I'm going to just simply copy the answers right now and actually do go on to pasting that in this section. So this right now is actually done. I'm going to just simply click on back also and go on to adding in the third answer or the third question right here. So you want to make sure you do add in at most 5 questions right here. Don't make the questions too lengthy. Add at most 5 questions. So guys, I'm just going to leave this at 4 questions right here, and once I'm done, I'm going to just simply remove this, and you can actually do see the questions right here and the answers also. So this is quite cool right now. So what you want to do next is to go onto this final step section, and for that section right here, you want to just simply come onto this email list right now. If you do click on that right here, you want to hover around that and actually delete the email section. And once you do delete that, also go on to deleting this first name section. So now you want to just simply leave only this section which says click here. Click on that. You want to change this right here to open URL, and for the URL section right here, go on to your CPA marketing offer, copy the link and actually head back to this section and paste that in right here. So once that has been pasted, you also want to just simply go on to scrolling through until you can actually do see the subtitle text. So I'm going to remove that right here. So once I do remove the subtitle text, for this section which says click here right here, you want to just simply increase the size right now, or the font size. Once you do increase the font size, I can also go on to changing the text to something like claim now. If I do change it to something like that, I can also go on to maybe adding a text right here. So if I do go on to scrolling through, adding a text in this section, I'm going to get back to CPA Grip and actually copy this particular title for the offer, head back to this section and actually go on to paste in that right here. So guys, once I do paste that, I'm going to highlight the text and actually go on to increasing the font size to something that is quite big right now. As you can see, this looks quite better. And I can also go on to add in an image by coming onto this section, dragging the image icon, click on this right now and actually do go on to uploading that image from CPA Grip. So once you do download the image and upload that right here, you might actually go onto this section because I already do have that uploaded. I'm going to just simply select that and add that right here. So this has actually been added. So once this is actually done, you could see how cool it looks like. You want to then just simply go into clicking on this preview icon, and you're actually going to see how your landing page actually looks. This is how the landing page looks. I can just simply select an option, it takes me to the next question. If I just select another option, it takes me to the next question and just keep going on and on till I can get to this page where I can just simply click on claim now. If anybody do click on this, it's automatically going to take them to my CPA marketing offer for them to actually complete, and if they do complete that, I get paid some full cash. So once it is actually done, guys, you want to just simply click on save changes, and if you do click on that right now, you want to head on to clicking on exit. Now if you exit the page, next what you want to do is to actually go on to customizing the link right now by coming onto this section and actually giving it something related to Amazon. So if I give it something related to Amazon gift, I can just simply copy the link to this particular landing page and actually go on to promoting that using this platform called Facebook. If you do head on to Facebook, make sure you do go on to searching for Amazon related groups such as Amazon gift card groups. You could see lots of groups which you could take advantage of. Supposing I do select this group right now, I can actually do go onto the group. Even without joining, I can write a very cool post. You can see right here, people are actually writing a post related to Amazon gift card. You can see this is actually for 100 free gift card. So what you want to do right now is to just simply do a similar post such as this. Write out something right here related to Amazon gift card. You could use ChatGPT to help you out with that. And in that, you want to just simply tell them to complete a simple survey and claim a free gift card right now. And if they do so right there, you want to also make sure your link is available to them, and once they click on that link and do so right now, you're actually going to get paid some cool affiliate commission for every conversion which you do get. But make sure you actually go to targeting the United Kingdom audience. You could also inform them that that offer is only for people in the United Kingdom, and for them to complete that, you actually do get paid. So this is actually a very cool strategy which you want to take advantage of. You could also go to using platforms like Facebook right here, or likeforlike.org. If you do head on to likeforlike.org, you can actually use this to help boost your social media presence, or you could use that to help boost that particular post on Facebook. As you want to just simply follow these 4 simple steps to do so, you want to join the community and get a startup bonus of 30 credits. You want to add the social network page which you want to promote, buy credit or use free or get free credit by liking and following other people's content, and you also get followers and likes that particular Facebook post promoting that CPA marketing offer with your systemy.io landing page link. So this is quite cool right now. Use this as a very cool opportunity to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offer. If you do have a question, why not just simply leave that in the comment section down below. And I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.